How to keep Android apps running in the background. So if you want to keep Android apps running in the background, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down and you just need to simply go with the system option. And under system, you will have developer options. Tap on developer options and make sure that it is turned on. Once you turn on your developer options, you just need to simply scroll down and find the background process limit. Or if you don't find the option, then you just need to simply tap on search, which will be on the upper right, and search for background process limit. Tap on it and here you will have it. So just tap on background process limit, and here most of the Android phones has the standard limit set automatically, but even if it's not fixing your problem, then you just need to simply go with at most 3 processes so that you can have 3 apps running in the background without closing. And once you've done that, you just need to simply go back and restart your device, and after that your problem will be fixed. That's how you can keep Android apps running in the background. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.